At York University, we're building a new kind of medical school, one rooted in community and designed to transform how we educate family doctors and generalist physicians in Ontario. In Ontario, more than 2.5 million residents are without a family doctor. This shortage is one symptom of a deeper mismatch. Our current health system was built for acute care, but our growing and aging population now requires coordinated and continuous care over time and place. We're undergoing accreditation to open in 2028. The York University School of Medicine is answering the call. Our aim is to educate doctors in the community in integrated teams, what our health system needs. This is not simply increasing physician numbers, but redefining how care is delivered. The community is our campus. Our unique 3-year MD program will embed learners in healthcare centers and hospitals across North Toronto, York Region, Simcoe, and Muskoka. From as early as their first year of study, learners will be embedded in these communities, supporting continuity of care and establishing local roots. Our students will learn through continuous mentoring and clinical experiences, seeing patients and their families over time and across settings, working alongside nurses, social workers, physiotherapists, and other health workers. They'll use evidence-based approaches, digital technology, and AI to enhance patient care, while understanding how social factors influence health outcomes for patients and our communities. We plan to establish a permanent home next to the Cortellucci Vaughan Hospital, part of the Vaughan Healthcare Centre precinct. This is a space envisioned as a dynamic hub where healthcare, education, and innovation come together. Join us as we reimagine medical education to build a healthier future for Ontario communities. Learn more at yorku.ca/medicine.